You got a camera? Wait. Ready? Okay, open it up. This is yours.
You want to take the sheet off?
Pull it off.
What's inside?
What's inside?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Backhoe.
Wow.
Look it.
Wow.
Go outside. He wants to go outside. That's a backhoe loader.
Trevor.
Oh.
Trevor. Push this right here with you.
But you gotta hang on.
There you go. Let's jump on the pedal.
Here, Trevor, look, you can make yourself go. What do you think, buddy? Here, all you have to do is push down with your foot.
Whoa!
Oh, he got it.
Go.
Go,
That's
Trevor.
right.
Go, Trevor. Go.
So, all you have to do is push down with your foot. So you have to...
It takes coordination with the
He does
steering.
burnouts.
Too much.
Dad's been waiting for this moment.
I know.
Yeah, push down with your foot. Push down with your foot.